Hello everyone, I'm Yusuke Ueno, International Marketing Manager for TOA Corporation. Please let me quickly show you the external control feature of CF1, Integrated Audio Collaboration System designed for web conferencing application. Alright, so now I have the Crestron device here, so you can mute the microphone from the Crestron, and of course you can unmute. And then now I have the iPhone device here, and this device is connected to the CF1 by Bluetooth, so I can play music. Right. When you play the music, you can adjust the volume of the speaker from Crestron. And of course, this volume control can also control not only the music, but the web conferencing voices as well. So this is a great feature for the CF1 to be integrated with Crestron and all other control devices such as AMX and the Extron. Thank you for watching.